The secret. The secret gives you anything you want: happiness, health, and wealth. You can have, do, or be anything you want. We can have whatever it is that we choose. I don't care how big it is. What kind of a house do you want to live in? Do you want to be a millionaire? What kind of a business do you want to have? Do you want more success? Or what do you really want? This is the great secret of life. The leaders in the past who had the secret wanted to keep the power and not to share the power. They kept the people ignorant of the secret. People went to work. They did their job. They came home. They were on a treadmill with no power because the secret was kept in the few. Throughout history, there have been many who coveted the knowledge of the secret, and there have been many who found a way of spreading this knowledge to the world. I have seen many miracles that take place in people's life: financial miracles, miracles of physical healing, mental healing, and the healing of relationships. All of this happened because of knowing how to apply the secret. Now, what is the secret? You have probably been sitting there wondering, what is the secret? I'll tell you how I have come to understand it. We all work with one infinite power. We all guide ourselves by exactly the same laws. The natural laws of the universe are so precise that we don't even have any difficulty building spaceships. We can send people to the moon, and we can time the landing with the precision of a fraction of a second. Wherever you are, Australia, New Zealand, Stockholm, London, Toronto, Montreal, or New York, we are all working with one power, one law. It's attraction. The secret is the law of attraction. Everything that is coming into your life, you are attracting into your life, and it is attracted to you by virtue of the images you are holding in your mind. It's what you are thinking. Whatever is going on in your mind, you are attracting to you. Every thought of yours is a real thing, a force. Why do you think that 1% of the population earns around 96% of all the money that's being earned? Do you think that's an accident? It's designed that way. They understand something. They understand the secret, and now you are being introduced to the secret.